minute remaining. 1 minute and 50 remaining in this heat. Red's also paddling and up and riding. Surfer in yellow still needing help. And swing back to the beach. Can someone please get his board before it smashes on the rocks? I think someone's there to catch it. Waves are getting bigger today. Surfers, before you paddle out, please check your leg ropes and leg leash. Make sure they're secured. Last 1 minute, surfers. Last 1 minute. Seconds remaining, and Surfer in white still needs a 6.8 to advance. He's currently in first priority. We're going down to the right. There's a nail biter. White getting a big wave. Paddles for it. Let's see if he gets the 6.8 that he needs. Welcome to Heartbreak Reef. People, you have 15 seconds remaining. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,